The Abbasid Caliph Mutawakkil feared Imam Ali al-Naqi not for weapons, but for his truth, dignity, and influence over hearts. If he truly is protected by God, let us see today. He orders Imam al-Naqi to be thrown into a pit of lions. The gates opened, the lions charged. Instead of attacking, the lions sat still. Some lowered their heads, some circled gently. The Imam stood in prayer, completely at peace. The beasts of the jungle recognized the leader appointed by Allah. Terrified, Muttawakil ordered him removed at once. Imam Ali al-Naqi taught the world, when a heart submits to Allah, even the wildest forces submit too. Faith is not proven by survival. It is proven by serenity.